Fits all 2020 present Chevrolet Corvette C8 models. 100% brand new condition, a brand new, unused, unopened, undamaged item in its original packaging, where packaging is applicable. Package included 1X Chevrolet Corvette C8, GM factory-style carbon fiber rear engine trim cover. Hardware is not included. Reuse OEM hardware for installation. Test fitted prior shipment to ensure fitment issue, guarantee to fit. Free shipping for U.S. 48 states with 1-year limited manufacturer defective warranty. Top review from the United States. Makes the engine look solid. I transferred the parts of the manufacturer cover on the side. That was a little tricky, but just a lot of double-sided tape from 3M is all you need.